Hi guys, how do you feel today? I feel very good. Today we need to start with some movement. Please shake your hands, go up, and clap. Next, go back, and clap. Then we are going to stretch, and then move to the right, uh, and then move to the left. Wow! Now, how do you feel? Remember that we need to do exercise all days. Now, today we are going to start with our reading. Okay, I need that you go and take your book because we are going to work to the page 50. I am going to give time to look in the page, please. It's important. Copycat. But what is a copycat? A copycat is someone who copies other people, not only in the test. Maybe they copy you how do you dress or the things that you like. Okay, guys, are you ready for the reading? Because this reading is very important. There's things happening. Pay attention. Everybody put your finger and follow the reading. Copycat. The whole class was nervous that Thursday morning. Their teacher, Miss Lolita, had told them to study for their test on Monday. She said, study grammar and spelling today. Study science and social study on Tuesday. Then study math and vocabulary on Wednesday. You'll be ready to take your exams on Thursday. She said, but no, everybody listened to her advice. Tom didn't take any of his book home to study, and he had lost the study guide that Miss Lolita gave him. He made sure that morning to take the desk that was right next to Ricky's. He even got to school early to make sure that nobody else will take that desk. Imagine, Miss Lolita give it the instruction and say, guys, you need to study. And she give them some things that they can use to study, to prepare the test. But what happened? Somebody forgot the books and the guides. But he thinks that it's better to go the other day very early and sit down close to Ricky's because Ricky's was the more smart guy in this class. This is now the solution, guys. Pay attention. We are going to continue. Ricky was one of the smartest students, according to Tommy. He always got good grades. But the truth was that Ricky took his book home to study every time they were going to take a test. And he will never lose his study guide. He kept them neatly folded in a folder inside his backpack. Tommy was just as smart as Ricky, but he didn't pay much attention to school. Rick knew when he saw Tommy's things on the desk next to his what Tommy's intentions were. Oh no, he said. He is not going to do it to me this time. When Miss Lolita gave out the exam and told the class that they could start answering, Ricky made sure to write all the wrong answers on his exam so that Tommy will copy just that. All wrong answers. He figured he had enough time to erase all the wrong answer and write the right answer again. But when he was just to start to erase her, Miss Lolita said, time's up, class. Well, sometimes this happens. I wish in your case you never need to copy others. It's better than you try to study. And if you have some problem, ask your teachers. They can help you. Okay? Now, I wish that you put again the listening and read. The first activity that you are going to do is to read to your parent. Then we are going to continue. Okay, guys, when we finish to read our lesson, we are going to take a sheet of paper and we are going to copy the first question that we have down in our book. In the page 50, we have two questions. First one, what advice did Miss Lolita give her students? Number 2, what did Tommy do? Number 3, what did Ricky do? And number 4, what students well, Ricky or Tommy? We have another activity. In the page 51, we are going to look for irregular verbs that we found in this lesson. How we are going to find it? I am going to give you a clue. I am going to write the words that you are going to find there and you are going to looking for it. Okay? Okay. Ready? We are going to continue. We are going to go to the page 51 and we are going to looking for irregular verbs. I write here all the verbs that we can find in this page. The only thing that you are going to do is looking for these words. Was, got, to, would, didn't, knew, saw, were, gave, said, called, made, had. In this page you are going to look at these words and you are going to put in a circle. Okay? Remember that you need to take a picture when you finish. I am going to check your work. Then guys, we are going to go to the page 52. There you are not going to have a problems, I think. Why? Because we are going to complete the sentence that we have there, but we have the answers. We have the option A, B, or C. You need to read all the sentence and remember what happened in the story and put the correct answer. Okay? I know that you are very smart, but I need something. Please, I need that you write carefully because I need to understand the words that you write. If you write very fast or you write like the words go to the sky, I can understand. Please try to do the best letter that you have. Please. We are going to go to the page 53. There we have an activity. Who is Tom and who is Ricky? You are going to look at the picture and write. It's very simple, no? Yes. And you are going to continue reading the sentence that we have down. Write good idea and bad idea, but you need to read the sentence. If you have some problems to solve this, please call me by and I stay there for you. And wow, in the page 54, there is very simple because you have the answers down. Okay, we have a word bank. We are going to use this word bank to answer the graphic organizer that we have there. What is a graphic organizer? A graphic organizer is something that helps you to put the things in order. Example, if they say days of the week, you are going to look it down. What days of the week do you have? And you are going to write there. Then we have school subject. Example, English is a subject. Okay, what other subject do you have in this square? Okay. Then we have Tommy was. You are going to look at the adjective that describe Tommy. And you are going to looking for the adjective to describe Ricky. And finally, what's the name for the characters? There are 3 characters. It's very simple. Teacher, the student that is smart and the student that is a copycat. With this, you can. We have in the page 55, that is the last. We have an idea bank. The instructions are: think about the story. What was Tommy's main problem? What did he do about it? Did his plan work? What was Ricky's main problem? What did he do about it? Did his plan work? Talk to the partners to organize your ideas. You can find me in Skype and we can talk about it, okay? And we are going to make a little writing. You have some ideas in the idea bank that we have down. First, you read these ideas and complement with your ideas and you write. In Skype, we can speak and we can find the correct answer. Okay, guys, and this is everything for this. If you have some problems, call me. See you later, guys. Remember, I love you. Take care. Wash your hands and do your homework. Bye.